sublimation. What do you mean by sublimation? Sublimation is a process in which solid directly changes to gas. A process in which solid directly changes to gas without coming in liquid state. For example, dry ice and camphor. Generally question ये पूछा जाता है what is sublimation and 4 things that sublime. So what is sublimation? The process in which solid directly changes to gas without coming in liquid state. 4 things that sublime: dry ice, camphor, naphthalene balls, iodine, etc. Now very important, what is dry ice? Dry ice is simple solid form of carbon dioxide. Is called dry ice. Now next topic is latent heat. Now what do you mean by latent? Latent means hidden heat. Now define latent heat. What is latent heat? Amount of heat required to convert 1 unit mass of substance into other without change in temperature. This is very important part. Without change in temperature. So latent heat is कितनी हीट हमें चाहिए एक सॉलिड को लिक्विड में चेंज करना है, बट देयर इज नो राइज इन टेम्परेचर, नो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर. दिस इज कॉल्ड लेटेंट हीट. Latent heat is of 2 types. First, latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. Now, question is define latent heat of fusion. As you know, fusion means solid changes to liquid. So, latent heat of fusion is also related with solid changes into liquid. So, what is latent heat of fusion? Amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of solid to liquid without change in temperature. अब for example आपने ये learn की definition. In this definition you simply put substance solid in place of substance and liquid in place of other. So it comes the definition of fusion. Very simple to learn. So what is latent heat of fusion? Latent heat of fusion is amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of solid into liquid without change in temperature. Similarly, if we have to define the latent heat of vaporization, again we will write amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of. Now in vaporization liquid changes to vapor. So, amount of heat required to convert 1 kg or 1 unit mass of liquid into vapors without changing temperature. The most important thing in this definition is without changing temperature, because at constant temperature this should be changed. Now, I explain it experimentally. Suppose we take a beaker full of ice and we put in a thermometer. The reading in thermometer is 0 degree. Now we lit a burner under this beaker. Now we will see that ice starts boiling. Suppose when ice totally converts into liquid and we are constantly recording the temperature. The temperature is still 0 degree. Ice changes to water and we noted that we have supplied 1000 calorie of heat. Now the temperature is same. Solid changes to liquid and the amount of heat given is 1000 calorie. Now this 1000 calorie is known as latent heat of fusion. Now, question arises, where does this heat go? Suppose you have seen that I am hitting this solid and this solid changes to liquid. The temperature remains same and I said that we have supplied 1000 calorie of heat. So So where does this heat go? This question is very important. Where does this heat go if it doesn't change the temperature? Actually, the heat can do two works. The heat can either change the states of matter or increase in temperature of the state. But during changing of state, during this process, the heat, when we heat any state, the heat supplied first break the bonds to change the states of matter. In this, the heat which we are supplying, the heat, as we know, heat can change the state or increase in temperature. So first heat change the state, and then after, when it complete the changing of state, then it increase the temperature. So heat first, what the work was done by heat, it totally the heat, that is 1000 calorie. Total 1000 calorie of heat is required, is used to convert, to change the bonds of solid into liquid, and that heat is